Hey beautiful souls, it's Sam here from The Singer's Piano, and welcome to Awaken Your Creative Soul, the healing side of piano, singing and songwriting for self-expression. Now today I want to talk to you about the piano, and in particular how you can play very simple piano in your songwriting even if you have never played the piano before. And this is a trick that I learned early on when I first started to play the piano. The idea of this is that when you want to express yourself and maybe you can't play piano, for example, and you're like, I really want to play and I just can't, and I have this amazing thing that I want to express to the world. You feel a bit stuck, right? Maybe you don't know chords, maybe you don't know how to read music. And so what I'm going to show you is something super simple. In fact, there was a video that went viral of a little boy who was 2 years of age who was playing and improvising around what I'm going to show you. And everybody was astonished because he was like 2 to 3 years of age, but I knew what he was doing because I could see it I could see it, right? So I'm going to share with you this simple technique. Now, why is this important? Sometimes you may have no skill set. Maybe you just want to go bleh straight away and you don't even have time for a chord progression. And so this is really handy. So I'm going to show you my hands and we're just going to dive straight in. And the way I teach is improvising around chords and different patterns. I don't read a note of music personally myself, and my students get incredible success in their self-expression without having to read a note of music. And if you're interested, I actually have a free guide down below that you can click the link on, and I'll show you how to play a couple of chords, how to improve your voice, and how to write your first song. I'm going to share with you my hands. This is the really great thing about this. You don't need to be able to play the piano. You just need to be able to identify between the black notes and the white notes. We've got all the black notes here, okay? Now we're not going to talk about scales, we're not going to talk about chords, we're not going to talk about any of that stuff. What I want you to do is play around with the black notes. Now, a lot of you who've just starting at the piano won't have a pedal. If you do have a pedal, it sounds so much nicer. So this is the difference between me without a pedal and with a pedal. So without a pedal, this is me with a pedal. There's quite a big difference. So if you have a pedal, please plug it in. And a pedal, for those of you that don't know, is one of these things here. We're just going to play our left hand, this note here. I'm not even going to mention names of notes. So we're just going to play this note. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you've got a pedal, push it down. And then, this is the trick, is we're going to play any of these black notes. It doesn't have to be any of them. It's totally fine. Literally with our one hand finger, maybe you've never played piano before, we're going to play it around with any of these notes. Can you see how fun that is? It's so simple. If you don't have a pedal, it doesn't sound as good, but you push down. More percussive. And actually, you could have a Regina Spektor song going on here. There's a song already starting to be born. So all I've done is I'm literally just holding that note down and playing any of the notes up the top here and then improvising with my voice. Now actually without a pedal, you're probably going to have more of an upbeat sound because it's a bit choppier. Whereas if you have a pedal, it might sound a little bit more romantic like this. You can already see that a song is coming from that. If you want to have a bit more of a choppy kind of rhythmic feel, don't use the pedal. If you want more of a romantic ballad, use the pedal. Now, I've already started to improvise around my piano and around this. Here's when it gets really juicy. we've got the left hand is playing this note here, and we're just improvising around this. Now we're going to introduce the secret sauce, 2 white notes. I'm not even going to tell you the names of these notes. Okay, you'll be able to see on the recording, but I'm not even going to do that because I want you to get completely away from chord progressions, structures, all of that stuff. We're just having fun. We're going to play the 2 on the side of the big 3. So we're going to play the F. Oh no, I told you. Oops. We're going to play this one. And we're going to play this one. It's actually quite hard not to mention the notes. This one. And this one. So let's just see how this sounds first of all. Now all I'm doing is playing around. I have no idea what I'm playing. And this is what it sounds like with the pedal. Sounds really nice with the pedal, that's why I say plug it in. And we're just going to improvise with the voice. So it depends on how your day's been, if you're feeling good, if you're not feeling good. I'm just going to improvise with the voice. They're nonsense words. I have no idea what I'm singing. It sounds really beautiful. And that's the start of a song. You can do it within 2 minutes, whether you're a piano player, whether you're not a piano player. So I really encourage you to give it a go. And if you want to carry on from that and you're not quite sure on the next steps, I am holding a 5-day bootcamp, which is called Reawaken Your Soul Song. And this is the process that we're going to be going through in a lot more depth, getting you to connect with yourself through music. So some of you may be feeling blocked. Maybe you haven't got a connection with music anymore. And maybe you just want to immerse yourself in music more. If you want to do that, all you have to do is click on the link below and sign up. It is in a couple of weeks' time, so if you watch this video and it's a bit later, I'm so sorry, but it's called Reawaken Your Soul Song, and I will hopefully see you in a couple of weeks. And also, if you have enjoyed this, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!